These cable management clips offer several ways to secure your cables. I'm pretty impressed with this product. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. In the package, you'll get 15 of these clips, some extra replacement rubber sleeves, zip ties, and mounting screws. Someone really thought through this product. I'm impressed. On the back, you have the adhesive side. The rubber part will capture your cables. Optionally, you've got these two areas. You could even drive these screws through these holes if you need that extra level of protection. Quite frankly, this adhesive is very strong. But if you want to mount this on a pole, that's where the zip ties come in. You can put the zip ties through here and then tie that to a pole. Pretty clever. The sticky square base should be applied to a smooth, dust-free surface. It's probably not going to be a problem if this is up underneath your desk. It's even possible to use some of these spare rubber pieces as a clip all onto itself. Here's a look at my desk before the cable ties and after. Here's a look at the messy cables when I started, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these, and it's much, much better.